Memory diagrams show us exactly what's happening inside Python. Today we're getting X-ray vision into Python's memory. We'll learn to visualize exactly how variables are stored, track them as they change through time, and understand when they're created and when they disappear. Get ready to see inside the computer. Think of memory diagrams like taking snapshots of Python's brain after each line of code runs. Each snapshot shows us exactly which variables exist and what values they contain at that moment in time. Let's trace through this code step by step using memory diagrams. We'll see exactly what happens in Python's memory as each line runs. This is like having a time machine for variables. After step 1, name equals Ahmed. Python creates one box labeled name and puts Ahmed inside. Only one variable exists so far because that's all we've created. After step 2, age equals 12. Now we have two boxes. Name still contains Ahmed, and our new age box contains 12. Both variables exist side by side in memory. After step 3, name equals Fatima. Watch carefully. We still have the same name box, but the contents changed. Ahmed gets crossed out and replaced with Fatima. The box stays the same, the contents change. Here's the critical insight. Variables don't exist until you create them. Python reads your code line by line, top to bottom. In step 1, age doesn't exist yet because the line that creates age hasn't run. After step 4, old age equals age. Now we have three boxes. Python reads the current value of age, that's 12, and puts a copy of that 12 into our new old age box. After step 5, age equals 13. The age box gets new contents. 12 is crossed out and replaced with 13. But notice old age still has 12. Changing age doesn't magically change old age. See how time flows from top to bottom? Each row is a snapshot after a line of code runs. It's like taking photos of Python's memory to see how variables change through time. Remember these crucial rules. Variables are created when you assign a value to them for the very first time. And variables only keep their latest value. Old values disappear forever. Python doesn't remember the history. When you draw your own memory diagrams, follow these tips. Draw a box for each variable, label it clearly, put the current value inside, and cross out old values when they change. It's like maintaining a photo album of variables. Challenge time. Draw a memory diagram for this code step by step. X equals 5, Y equals X equals 10. Think through each step and figure out the final values of both variables. The final values are X equals 10 and Y equals 5. Here's why. When Y equals X ran, X was 5, so Y got 5. Later, when X became 10, Y wasn't affected. Variables don't magically update when other variables change. Memory diagrams are incredibly powerful for debugging. When your code doesn't work as expected, draw a diagram to see exactly what Python is thinking at each step. It's like reading Python's mind. Incredible! You now have X-ray vision into Python's memory. You understand that memory diagrams show snapshots through time. Variables don't exist until first assignment. Only current values are kept, and each variable is completely independent. You can now see what Python is thinking